Aduh, kau keluar lah. Okay, diam. Guys, I'm Nadhirah. Today I'm gonna make a no makeup look. Drugstore versus high-end makeup look. As you can see, this side it's a high-end side and this side it's a drugstore side. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing is prime. I'm gonna prime my face for the high-end side. I'm gonna use the Porefessional. Just use a little. Okay, so for yang belah drugstore punya, I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Instant Print Transformer. Yang ni they have a SPF 35 and I'm gonna use a little bit like this. Okay, lepas tu after done with your prime, okay, so I'm gonna use a Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer for the high-end side and cover up dark spot or any blemishes that you guys have or redness. Plus ni, I'm gonna use it's a Fit Me Concealer in shade Deep Foncée. I'm gonna use a beauty blender juga, but the side yang tak ada, yang tak guna macam this side. So for powder, I'm gonna use a drugstore side. I'm gonna use a Stay Matte Rimmel London in shade Transparent. For the high-end side, I'm gonna use a Sephora press powder Mattifying 8 hours. And in the color Foncée Deep. After done with that, I'm gonna do my eye. Okay, for the high-end side, I'm gonna use Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade. Drugstore side, I'm gonna use a Maybelline Brow Pencil. I'm gonna do my bronzer. Okay, for high-end side, I'm gonna use Anastasia Contour Kit medium to 10. This color in Havana or Nana. Okay, lepas tu for the drugstore side, the Bahama. Yang ni got it from Sasa, and Sasa also sell a drugstore makeup, I think so. And I'm gonna use a blusher for High-End Sweet Peach Glow. Drugstore side, I'm gonna use a Into It Gel Tint for lip and chin. Yang ni in color Melon. High-end side, I'm gonna use a highlight Becca in Opal. For the drugstore side, I'm gonna use a Bourjois number 16 Love Stock Rose. Nampak macam ni. I'm gonna use this brush and ambil sikit sebab dia macam ada shimmer tau kat sini. So, as you can see, nampak tak? For the high-end side, I'm gonna use NADHIRAH Mascara. Sikit je sebab malas panjang. Drugstore side, I'm gonna use a Maybelline the Hypercurl Express Waterproof. Okay, for the lipstick, for the high-end side, I'm gonna use a Taupe and Twig. Mix it together. Okay, first korang taruh color Taupe and mix with Twig. I don't have any drugstore lipstick, so I'm gonna use a NYX Jumbo Lip Pencil in color Ice Coffee. So we are done. And this is how it look like. This side yang belah sini, this one is Drugstore side, and this one is Highend side. So yeah, bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Much love, Nadhirah.